Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you what to do if your HP ProBook 635 keeps overheating. So first, the best option is to buy cooling pads, but I don't have any. So go into the battery and power mode, select best power efficiency as I had. The screen, sleep and hibernate timeouts 5 minutes or less. Enable the energy saver. Now remember to keep your laptop in a cool and ventilated area and let it stay on something with good airflow, not solid wooden desk like I have, but I don't have anything else to put it on. That's it, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.